just wanna chill and twist the lie. Catch stunts in my 7.
What's up, it's FunnyBoy555. I'm gonna be showing you how to clean up PS2. What you're gonna need is a cloth, I forgot what you call this, air in a can, whatever. A cup, a Dixie cup or whatever to hold your pieces. Phillips, and a flathead screwdriver. I already got all the pieces, I got it ready. Now I'm just gonna take the screws off, put them in your Dixie cup, leave that on so you can see that nice Dodge Challenger. Okay, now, some of the older PS2s don't have the live connection, but if your PS2 does have the live internet connection, what you're going to need to do is unscrew that with your flathead, which I already have done for you, and it's going to come right off, just like that. Now, after you're screwing your PS2, you're going to right side up, and you're going to take it off at an angle. Okay, first, yeah, it comes out just like this. Okay, now as you can see right there, it's really dusty. Like, really dusty. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my nice little, whatever you call this here. I'm going to first spray the memory card slots. Oh, the fan's really dusty. That was kind of cool. Okay. Oh, this thing is so dusty. I haven't cleaned this thing since I got it, which I think was in 03. Okay, now for the bottom. Now the little bit in the front right here. And wipe your PS2 off, and you're good to go. This has been FunnyBoy555. Peace. Just to tell you guys, I have upgraded systems from my PS2. I am not
New York City. You are now rapping with 50 Cent. You gotta love it. I just wanna chill and twist the lie. Catch stunts in my 745. You drive me crazy, shorty. I need to see you and feel you next to me. I provide everything you need.